first speaker is Dr. James Lark. Dr. Lark is a professor of engineering in the departments of Systems and Information Engineering at the University of Virginia. He currently serves as secretary of the Jefferson Area Libertarians and recently served as national chairman and CEO of the Libertarian Party. Please welcome Dr. James Lark.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I shall be brief. Arguably, the greatest thing about the American experiment in governance is our Constitution and Bill of Rights. A friend of mine, John Hosnes, who is a professor of business at Georgetown University, he's a philosopher and lawyer by training, told me once that he would ask people, American citizens, of what they are most proud about the American experiment in governance. And invariably, people would say they are proudest of the right of free speech, freedom of religion, freedom to basically not have your property expropriated and taken by government without just compensation. And usually in the common theme in all of this, in all of the things that people would mention as those things of which they were most proud, involved a restraint of government in terms of our liberty. In other words, all of the things that are mentioned as those things of which people are most proud tend to be things which people have the liberty and freedom against government. Government is limited. It has certain powers that are enumerated and limited. And the Bill of Rights, which some people would refer to more properly as a bill of restrictions, a bill of prohibition, because it limits the power of government to impose on our lives. Governments are instituted among people for certain limited purposes. The world can be a very dangerous place. Predation is widespread. And so we, the people, band together to form government for our mutual protection. But when governments go beyond those limited, restricted powers, they become violated of the very rights for the very purpose for which they were established. And it is our right to change, alter, or in some cases abolish if necessary. And so on this day, Bill of Rights Day, I think it is wonderful that we are able to assemble and celebrate the greatest aspects of the American experiment in governance, which is our liberties and the freedoms that we have, the limitations on government that are explicitly contained in our Constitution and in our Bill of Rights. Thank you very much for taking the time and trouble to come here. God bless. Thank you.